Nine Alpha in Croatia. Why do I sound weird when I say that? Croatia. 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 9 Alpha in Croatia. And his name I could never pronounce. Very cool. On 14.033. Delta Lima 5 Alpha X-ray in Germany. And I'm not gonna, well, yes I am too, on 14.051. Okay. He called the wrong guy. I can't talk. He called the wrong guy. Oh, I hate the sound of filters. No thanks. Did he copy my number? His number, 136? Maybe. Either that or he gave up. Yeah. If I were logging him, I wouldn't. I wouldn't log this one. If I were like entering the I wouldn't log him, period. But for demonstration purposes only, hey man, I just worked Germany with a 6-foot high wire antenna. Hear that guy that he's working now? I called him at the same time he did, and I beat him. Yeah, that's awesome, man. That's France, Foxtrot 6, Alpha, Romeo, Charlie in France. Hotel Golf Zero Yankee in Hungary on 14.021. I've already worked Hungary at least once today, and this guy's strong. I'm going to work him again just because it's fun. Just because my wire is only 6 feet high. It's fun. And just like that, Hotel Golf 3 Romeo in Hungary. And you know what, man? This antenna is only 6 feet high, and it's 28 feet and 1 inches long. And dang, man, I'm spoiled. I don't know, man. I'm running 10 watts output, 10 watts RMS. And you know what, man? I've worked these DX stations, almost every one I've worked him on the first call. In one case, I beat out another guy, and it's just ridiculous, man. I'm going to work 1 or 2 more, I think, and then call it. This fellow is IR4E in Italy, and I'm going to try to work him, but I bet I can't. We'll see. Come on. India Romeo for Echo in Italy, and it looks like his name is Filippo. Filippo? And yeah, so IR for Echo on 20 meters, and frequency is 14.042, and I'm working my way up to the top of the band. Very fun. Given his QTH, his call sign is Slovenia 58, Mexico Union, S58MU in Slovenia. And it looks like his name is Milan. Cool.